Hello friends, as we have said that we'll be back with the series where I'll be taking few doubts which usually people have while preparing. In this particular video, I would like to talk about the subject history, which seems to be really boring, but let me tell you that it was one of the favorite subject of mine, and also I was able to score well in history specifically. For history, I followed the resources which were provided by the government exam Funda religiously, and it really helped me to clear my concepts. And because facts were very detail oriented in those notes, I could remember them. I would like to give you a small tip regarding history. While you are preparing history, you must be aware of all the rulers. It is important to have a mind map where you can actually capture the image of particular ruler or a personality which you are studying about. I used to have a small pictures which were stick to my notes while I was preparing, so that when I used to think about that particular person, that particular picture which I had pasted in those notes used to help me remembering all the facts, and it really helped me with the mind map strategy which I made, and I could recall all the things that particular ruler or that personality did or contributed towards in history. Likewise, I would like to say that while we are preparing modern history, there are so many freedom fighters, there are so many revolutionaries, and there are so many personalities which are there, and we have to study about them. So, same approach was followed by me, and it helped me by connecting the dots, and also I was able to recall the facts in the exam and reproduce it, and was able to fetch good marks in that particular subject. That was a strategy that I followed. Plus the notes that were given by government exam Funda, I had the printout of them, those notes, and I used to study them, revise them as much as I could, because I knew that history is a little bit facts oriented, and to remember the facts you have to revise them thoroughly. But if you really try to implement the strategy which I did, you will find that generally you will be able to do it well when it comes to remembering the part. Thank you.